Do you enjoy sports betting? Well, today I'm going to show you how you could do it directly on the blockchain. Welcome to Overtime Markets. Now, once you're on the website, all you have to do is click Try It Now. And from here, you can see they have all different types of sports available. Now, you can go ahead and pick any sport that you like. Currently, the NFL season is going on, so you could go ahead and pick any of the games that are currently going on. Now, the cool part about this application is they offer it on Optimism, Arbitrum, or Coinbase's blockchain base. Now, whether you're a Coinbase user or not, you can easily transfer your funds to any of these blockchains and be able to start placing your bets. Now, one of the coolest things I would say about Overtime is the fact that they offer instant payouts and it's directly guaranteed by smart contracts. So you do not have to worry about your funds being locked up. Now, I'm going to show you how to place a bet on any of these games. So the first thing we want to do is pick our sport, and we're going to go ahead and click on NFL. We're going to click on the Raiders game because this is the first game that's happening tonight. And for example, I think that Las Vegas is going to win. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on winner. So you can see the odds just by hovering over the bet. Now you can go over here to the side and you can type in how much you want to bet. Now they mainly use SUSD, which is similar to USDC. However, you can also change and use any type of funds you would like. So they offer DAI, USDC, USDT, OP, wrapped ETH, and ETH. I'll show you how you could connect your wallet. So you would just go click on connect wallet. Make sure you're on the right blockchain. Now, all you have to do is click wallet. Then, for example, you can use any of these. I prefer using Wallet Connect because all you have to do is scan it. So once you scan it, your wallet will come up with a connect screen. All you have to do is connect and it should take a second to load, and then you can go ahead and see your wallet at the top. Now, if we went ahead and chose Las Vegas to win, now you can see that Las Vegas is favored to win. So you can see we would pay $10 and we would receive $16 if they win. Once you approve this transaction, you would have to submit another transaction for the bet to go through. But other than that, it's quite easy for you to place bets, and they have many different bets that you could choose from: rushing yards, passing yards, receiving yards, passing touchdowns, field goals, who will score in a game, and you can go ahead and see all the recent activity on this particular game. Now, the coolest part I think about this whole platform is that they offer many different types of sports. So for example, they even offer esports that you could bet on. And so you can see all the different games that they have coming up are available right now for you to bet on. And it's very similar to any of these games. Now, I do want to mention, if you do feel like doing a parlay, you can do that. So all you would have to do is have that bet that you selected before, and you would have to just go ahead and select a new bet. Now you can see that this is a totally different game. This is Cincinnati versus Minnesota. For example, if I chose Cincinnati to win, you can see that it has the bet over here. So we have two bets, and just by hovering over, you can see Las Vegas is who I chose to win, and I chose Cincinnati to win as well. And now obviously this is going to increase my potential profit because I'm taking on more risk. This is just an added option. Now you can do this with many different positions. However, please note, you can't really do more than one position a game. So if you're doing a parlay, you can only do one bet per game. Now, I want to talk about rewards. So if you're doing parlays, they currently have some rewards going on depending on how much risk you take. So for example, this person took on many different bets and they had a high quote, which when their parlay hit, they were going to receive 500 OP tokens. So this is currently going on if you want to try it out. Now, if you're a football fan like me and you want to bet on the EPL, you can go ahead and do that as well. They have many different markets, so you could go ahead and pick any of the winners you'd like. So they have all the EPL games, Liga games, Serie A games. They have almost all the major football leagues that you could look for, so you could go ahead and find the games that you're interested in. Now, if you do make a bet, you can go ahead and click on your profile and you can see the open games that you have available. You could also see your transaction history. And if you are providing liquidity, you can go ahead and see that as well. But it's very simple. This is one of the easiest platforms to place your bets using the blockchain, using Optimism, Arbitrum, or Coinbase's base. Now, I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments section down below. I currently use this platform myself, and so I know how it is. I really enjoy it. One of the coolest parts I will say is how you can bet SUSD easily. You know, you don't have to wait for a transfer or whatnot, especially if you're a crypto native and you have funds on the blockchain. You don't have to wait to transfer it to Coinbase and then transfer it to another different platform like DraftKings or whatnot. This is all on the blockchain. Well, let's hope my bets pull through tonight. And if it does, I will definitely share a screenshot on my Twitter, so be sure to follow that. See you guys in the next video.